Hello, everybody, boys and girls, children of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at you, talking to you about the Disney Pixar Soul Wahl Senior 5-star Soul movie. All right, it's a Disney movie. A lot of kids like it. I do watch Disney movies also with my little one. When I'm cutting kids' hair, they love it when I cut their hair with this clipper. They ask me to cut their hair with this clipper because they like this movie. Amazing. It's just like the senior. That's all it is. It's a senior. All right. I got the senior right here. They're both twins. They even weigh the same. All right, as you can see, they all got their stand-up charger. You see the LED blinking? That means when it's blinking is low charge. When it's on pulse, it's charging, and when it's solid, that means it's fully charged. So eventually that LED right there that is blinking is going to be solid, and that means it's fully charged. But even if it's not fully charged, it still performs great. Okay. It comes with premium guards of number 1 and the half guard and the 1.5 guard. Okay, let me tell you something. If you can master the half and 1.5 guard, your fading is going to escalate to a whole different level, and you will get more speed. All right, but that's definitely something else that has nothing to do with this video. The clipper, the senior, has been one of my favorite clippers for 20 years. Never leave me down. I have nothing negative to say about the senior. And just to know that this clipper is also senior, it makes me feel good. Okay, it makes me feel good. All right, yeah, there's a few slightly changes, like the handle right here. Okay, as you can see, the senior is plastic and the Soul senior is metal. Okay, the metal is the adjustable blade is made out of metal, and the switch is also made out of metal. It's not like the senior that is made out of plastic. All right, very heavy duty. It comes with cord. Okay, so you can use it cordless or corded. All right. It has a 80 minutes run time. All right, and what can I say? And don't forget, Eli the Barber always coming right at you. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you.